hailing. And it is going, boy. Not hailing a lot, but it's definitely hailing. I don't know if y'all can hear that pinging. That's hail. I don't see it on the ground yet. Here it comes. Oh yeah. Ah, I see it bouncing now. I see it bouncing around now. Woo! Looks like pea size from what I see. You got pea-sized hail. Woo, that was a big one. That made me jump. There's some big ones. Oh, one of them just hit me in the back. I think we're out of it now. It's still hailing a little bit, but I think the main part is, the worst part is just about over, I think. I think we're on the backside now. Still hailing. Oh. Yep. Hail's getting a little bigger. Yep. Hail's getting bigger now. About the size of a dang. Oh yeah. About the size of 2 peas now. Dang. Wow, that's, woo! Boy. I think that's about almost dime size, almost. Like a half a dime. I'm not about to go get it just yet. Oh, where'd it go? There we go. We got a little piece here. Got a little piece there. See if I can find any more before it starts hailing again. Well, that's a pretty good little piece. I'm gonna get the hill out the way because it's still hailing. glad it wasn't too big. It killed my chickens. My chickens out there. Yeah, man, I love the weather. Should have been a meteorologist. I miss my days of storm chasing. National Weather Service has got several of my videos and lots and lots and lots of my pictures. They told me I had to quit sending them videos if I couldn't quit cussing because I get so excited during the tornado and stuff. Yeah, I wasn't very good at that. I get excited and I cuss a lot, so I couldn't send them any more of my videos. But I had some really good videos for them. They just had to mute it. That's pretty nice. We need the rain here in Texas, man. East Texas especially. We haven't had a whole lot of rain this winter, and we usually have a lot of rain during the winter time. A lot of rain. Hell, 2 years ago I think we ended up during just the winter alone like 15, 16 inches just in the winter time. I think this year so far we've had like 3, maybe. Oh, here it goes again. I think that's just rain though. Sure do love the weather, man. Any of y'all that enjoy the weather as much as I do, want to become storm chasers, there's classes all over the place in your local community. Just watch out for it on Facebook. Watch out for it on the newspapers, things like that. They put on free classes. And man, I thoroughly enjoyed it. I loved it. I wish I could do it again. My old lady won't let me do it, so. It sure is fun though. It's kind of dangerous, but personally I like danger, so don't bother me none. Just in case you're wondering, that pool got some dirt in there. My little compost pile for the winter. I'll dump it out in my garden. It's coming spring. Be real good for my peppers and stuff. Alright everybody, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it wasn't too boring for y'all, but for those of y'all that stuck around and watched the whole thing, y'all are awesome. Love y'all. God bless America. Y'all have a good rest of the year. I only got like 2 more weeks. Love y'all. Woo-wee. I'm in this one on 9 minutes. Bye.